Hi everyone, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. And today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. So just watch this video till the end to find out if ChatGPT and artificial intelligence can replace App Store optimization managers. Previously, we already had episodes about using ChatGPT in App Store optimization, in app marketing, and app promotion. And you may remember that when ChatGPT and other similar artificial intelligence appeared, actually everyone was worried if they can replace some marketing specialists and, in particular, App Store optimization specialists. Of course, we remember that actually ChatGPT is a language model which can generate different types of text. And when we are talking about App Store optimization, we talk about visual and text optimization. So actually, at least the half of the work ChatGPT can perform in App Store optimization. What are the main stages of App Store optimization when we are talking about some text? Of course, the first step you as app marketer or app developer may do is keyword research, and actually it is the most important step when you just gather all the keywords connected and relevant for your application together and analyze which of them may be used in some title, subtitle, short, long description, and of course which keywords then after the indexation process is done may be used in keyword promotion, so to increase the app positions for search requests on Google Play or App Store. And when we are talking about some keyword research, actually ChatGPT can easily perform the keyword research for the applications of different categories. For example, let's imagine that we have dating app and just ask to provide the keywords for dating app. You remember that we should specify all the requests we give to ChatGPT. So if you need the keywords in English language, we just write that the keywords should be in English. And if you need the particular number of the keywords, for example, 200, we specify this as well because this will make the work for ChatGPT easier. And actually, this will save our time, so we do not need to expand the keyword cloud all the time. So there should be 200 keywords. And in such a way, we just provide the details to ChatGPT and waiting for the answer. And as you may see, ChatGPT quickly provides the keywords for the app category we mentioned. And remember that when you proceed with keyword research, do not forget to use App Store optimization services. For example, at our platform, you can use all the functions for keyword research completely for free. You can check the keyword popularity, the keyword traffic. You can check the app position for the keyword if the application is already released and added to the store, as well as you may check the suggestions. So you may check the suggested keywords which users see when they type any kind of search request on Google Play or App Store. So after ChatGPT provided the list of keywords, you can easily copy them and just add to your keyword research or to Keyapp platform, for example, to check the popularity and traffic at once, so to have an understanding which search request you may use in your app text metadata optimization. So after you receive the list of keywords from ChatGPT, you add them to Keyapp platform. So we just add the application, which is the country we work with, because we remember that when we work with keyword research, the localization is extremely important. So you need to gather the keywords for each region separately, as keywords in different regions, even if we're talking about the United States and Australia, despite the fact that both countries are English-speaking, keywords will have different difficulty, popularity, and the traffic. And of course, the application will have different positions for such search request, even for the same search request in different countries. So we just add all the keywords provided by ChatGPT to Keyapp platform for us to check the popularity and to decide which keywords are the most important for us when we are talking about the attraction of organic users. So just add the keywords. And after this, if we are talking about the replacement of App Store optimization managers, when we are talking about some kind of text optimization and, of course, some kind of keyword research, actually, ChatGPT and any other artificial intelligence connected with the language models can help to find the keywords. But in general, when we are talking about this specific application, this specific niche, the specific category of apps, and of course about the keyword promotion, about the optimization, we should remember about the relevance. If we're talking about keyword research, actually ChatGPT provide all the possible requests connected with the particular app category you provided. But when we're talking about the relevance, already App Store optimization specialists should work with keywords to find out which ones are relevant and which ones are not suitable for some title or short or long description optimization. So you may note that working with Keyapp when you gather the keywords is extremely easy. You just add 100 plus keywords within several minutes, and within several minutes you receive this core popularity and the traffic of the search request. So both these numbers show you if you should focus on the particular search request in App Store optimization or in keyword promotion. So let's sum up quickly about keyword research when we are talking about artificial intelligence and the work of App Store optimization specialists. Of course, ChatGPT and any other artificial intelligence may be extremely important and useful tool just to help you to find the particular search request. But what we are talking about, some kind of analysis already, analysis of the relevance, analysis of the importance. It is needed to have App Store optimization specialists who can do this work manually and who can provide the insights about the popularity, traffic, and about the relevance. As anyway, when we work with App Store optimization or with keyword promotion, we pay a lot of attention to relevance and to the popularity, to the competitiveness of the search request, because it is important for us because we understand the more relevant and the more popular the keyword is, the more organic users this search request can bring to our application when it occupies top one in the particular interesting country for you. And we have already mentioned that actually ChatGPT is a artificial intelligence and it is a language model. So it can create different types of text, different types of short and long text. And when we work with text optimization, we work with text as well. So we create title, short, long description, we create subtitle for App Store apps. But can ChatGPT replace App Store Optimization Manager when we are talking about the creation of some text? If to talk about our personal opinion, actually it can help a lot because it can create any kind of text really quickly. Like let's just ask ChatGPT to create the description for drifting game, for example. You remember that you can specify all the needed things like the number of characters, the keywords ChatGPT should use in the particular text. So let's see. And this process is really fast and efficient with ChatGPT. But there is such a thing as relevance, we already mentioned. So we need to remember that when we work with a long description on Google Play, for example, that's not just the text which describes your application. We work with long description with the aim to get into the index for the particular search request. So for us, it is important as well to analyze the keywords, to find out the most relevant of them, and of course, the most popular using different types of tools. Do not forget that you can use Keyapp platform completely for free when we are talking about the analysis of the popularity, traffic, and app positions for the keywords in almost 200 countries. So we remember about the relevance and about the way we work with description and with the text as our main aim when we work with text optimization is to get into the index for the keyword, so to be visible for organic users. And of course, ChatGPT can create text. It can add the keywords to the text as well. It can create text based on the provided functions, on some functionality based on provided keywords even. But anyway, all this text should be checked by App Store optimization specialist, because ChatGPT cannot analyze the popularity of the keyword. ChatGPT cannot analyze if the particular search request is relevant exactly for your application. Yeah, ChatGPT can analyze that the keyword drifting game is relevant for such type of category, but ChatGPT cannot analyze if drifting game is relevant exactly for your application. And all this work may be already done by App Store optimization specialists. So if to sum up about some text optimization, about the creation of the title, short, long description, subtitle, for sure, ChatGPT and other language models can help a lot, because they save your time. You can just provide the keywords you would like to add. You can provide some details, some app functionality, and ChatGPT will provide the text for you quite quickly and according to your needs. But in general, all these tags should be checked by App Store optimization specialists and should be analyzed carefully when we're talking about the popularity of the keywords, because we remember that the indexation is the most important aim of text optimization, both when you work with Google Play and when you work with App Store. Optimization also includes app reputation and the work of app reputation. So actually, this is the task for App Store optimization specialists to work with app rating and app review. So we have already talked a lot about app reputation and using ChatGPT, working with app reputation. So we remember that ChatGPT can analyze the reviews, it can write the replies to some particular reviews, it can give some advices based on the category you work with or based on the application you work with. It can analyze the competitors as well. But anyway, App Store optimization specialist knows all the peculiarities of the application and can work with app reviews more precisely, providing more precise answers to the user. So when we're talking about some app reputation, ChatGPT can do a half of work for you, just create some templates, so on. But if we're talking about the full cycle of working with app reputation, for sure, App Store optimization manager is needed, the manager who knows its product. What's more about some analysis of competitors? We mentioned that yes, ChatGPT can analyze the competitors. It can provide some insights about the most popular apps in particular category, but it is needed to remember that ChatGPT has the information only to the year of 2021. So it doesn't have any access to App Store or to Google Play. It cannot follow the link to go to check the particular app. So anyway, when we are talking about the competitor analysis, App Store optimization manager should provide the competitors. So you can ask like provide the competitors for dating app on Google Play. But the issue here is that ChatGPT will provide the apps which were released to the year of 2021, as we see here, like to September. So if some new apps appeared, if some new apps were released, ChatGPT and most other artificial intelligence won't provide any details. So the only way to work with competitor analysis is to add the competitor here, to add like a description, to add the reviews, and to ask ChatGPT to analyze this data. Because we remember that ChatGPT is possible to analyze huge number of data, but it doesn't have any access to the current information from Google Play or App Store. So to sum up quickly about using ChatGPT in text optimization, and if ChatGPT and any other language model can replace App Store Optimization Manager, So in general, can ChatGPT can do a lot of work for you when you work with app analysis, with the niche category analysis, and with the optimization of the application you work with currently. But anyway, App Store Optimization Manager is needed to analyze this data to get the relevant keywords, to decide which keywords may be used in text optimization, and just to test different strategies, because we remember that App Store optimization is a kind of iterative process. So we do not just add the text once and wait for the indexation. We need to update our text to get into the index for the new and new keywords, for more and more keywords. So App Store optimization is iterative process, and ChatGPT won't do this all the time. For example, if you as App Store Optimization Manager do not ask about this. So when you create some text, when you look for some keywords, of course, ChatGPT can do a lot of work and can provide some insights. But anyway, App Store Optimization Manager plays a vital role in all these processes connected with app marketing. And just few words about some visual optimization. We know that for now there are different artificial intelligence like Midjourney, which can create some visual, so icons, screenshots. But anyway, when we are talking about the visuals, we should remember that there are store policy and all the other peculiarities connected with visual optimization. So anyway, App Store Optimization Manager should pay attention to this. And of course, if you ask to write some task for your designer for the icon creation and so on, it is needed to check carefully if ChatGPT uses and knows the current policy of Google Play, for example, because we remember that Google Play and App Store may change them, but artificial intelligence doesn't have any access to the current data. So in general, ChatGPT can help with visual optimization as well when we are talking about some tasks to our designers, to visual optimization. And even Midjourney, for example, can create some pictures for you like icon or screenshots. But anyway, it is needed to check and to make sure that you can use this icon, you can use this screenshots in Google Play or App Store, so the app is not banned from the store. So let's sum up in general. ChatGPT and artificial intelligence connected with language models can help you with text optimization, but that is only the half of the work. And in general, ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence created for now cannot fully replace the App Store optimization specialist. Of course, it makes our life easier, as well as Keyapp platform, which provide the possibility to check all the keywords, all the popularity scores and traffic for any search request. But anyway, the analysis should be done by App Store Optimization Manager. And when we're talking about the creation of author tags, title, short, long description, artificial intelligence can create them as well, but App Store Optimization Manager should decide which keywords are the most relevant and which keywords should be added to this text with the aim to get into the index. And of course, remember that App Store Optimization is iterative process. We need to test different strategies. We need to test different descriptions, titles. We need to test as well visuals to understand which ones bring good conversion rates. So artificial intelligence won't proceed with all these processes, and App Store Optimization Manager actually is still responsible for all these tasks. Not forget that Keyapp focuses a lot on free App Store optimization tools to give you the possibility not only to get top positions for the keywords, but also to analyze search requests and analyze the current ranks for your application. So you can just create the account and use these features for free. Anyway, if you have any questions about App Store optimization or keyword promotion, do not hesitate to contact our support team or a personal manager, and we will be extremely happy to assist and tell all the secrets about app marketing. So get top positions in the search with Keyapp.